here is how to use the Pixel Styles feature. If you have one thumbnail format you want to use again and again, this feature is going to be perfect for you. To use the styles feature, just click this button right here. You should see some styles already preloaded there. And that's actually the first way to use the styles feature, which is what I'm about to show you guys how to do. For this example, I'm going to select the podcast quote style. I'm also going to go ahead and select the demo persona. If you want to know how personas work, make sure to go check out our other tutorial on personas, but I'll just select this. For the podcast quote style, I just added the caption that I want to be in the thumbnail. Losing weight is easy. Now I can press generate. And before you generate, you can also select your batch size. So for this, I'm going to do 4, and now let's generate. Our thumbnails are now done. This one in the bottom left corner looks pretty good. We have 4 options to choose from. As you can see, it's in that podcast quote style. All I did was select that. I didn't have to do anything else. The next way you can use the styles feature is creating a custom style. To do this, we're just going to press the styles button and we're going to press create style. From here, you can look up any YouTube channel you'd like. For this example, I'm going to be using the channel Daily Fuel Up. As you can see, I now have the channel pulled up. I'm going to show you guys how to make an investigation board style thumbnail. We're just going to select this thumbnail, and this thumbnail. Now all we need to do is press generate. Okay, our style is now done loading. I can select it now, and then I could just type into the prompt box and describe exactly what it is I want. For this example, I'll just be doing the full story of Ronaldo. For batch size, I also selected 4. Now let's generate it. We now have 4 thumbnails, all in the investigation board style thumbnail. I think this one on the bottom left looks great. As you can see, it's the exact same style as the reference. But yeah, that is exactly how to use the styles feature. As always, if you need any help, create a support ticket because we'd love to help you out.